What's up, Breeze Heat family? We are back again with another video. I don't know if y'all know, but I'm trying to be a little healthy, trying to, eat clean and just do a little bit better at what I'm putting inside of my body. So I'm going to make this Cobb salad. Here are all the ingredients I'm using. This was for two, so I used 2 pieces of salmon, some bacon, I used some eggs, as well as some grape tomatoes, cucumber, we have the romaine lettuce, and some avocado. If y'all want to go and get some lettuce and chop it up and do the whole little, from scratch thing, do that. But you see me around here, baby, we just gonna take the bag. I'm just make this real easy for y'all to be able to follow along. This is a super great recipe. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started, get everything out of the way, and it's time to get our salmon seasoned. So I'm gonna be seasoning with salt, pepper, as well as some Miss Dash. I like it because it's salt free, so I just got to add a little bit of salt and kind of get to control how much salt is going to be on the salmon. So, go ahead, get a nice little seasoning on there. I don't have measurements for this because I didn't technically measure this. But, sprinkle some on and then sprinkle some salt on. Pat it on there nice and good. Flip them and do the same thing for the back. Make sure you wash your hands in between if you're not going to be using anything to flip the salmon with. Because you don't want to touch your seasonings and all that, salmonella, cross-contamination, all of that. So yeah, go ahead and season them front and back and get our veggies started. So first, I just started off with a cucumber. If you guys are interested in what I wash my vegetables with, I will link it down below. I just use a fruit and vegetable cleanser. I don't know, make me feel better. And I also seen on TikTok you can do some baking soda as well as some vinegar and some water. So you can do that as well. But just make sure everything is nice and clean. Go ahead and cut you up some of your cucumber. You can cut it however you like it. I just felt like this presentation wise is going to be easier for me. And then while I was doing this, I'm like, wait a minute, I don't even need all that cucumber. So I'm going to make me some cucumber water because y'all girl trying to be healthy or whatever. So I'm like, let me cut me up a few pieces and make some cucumber water real quick. So that's what I'm doing right there. So for this recipe, I used half of my cucumber. The rest got put away. And then I used some grape tomatoes. I went ahead and cut them in half just because I feel like when you be eating a salad and and you poke into the grape tomatoes, don't nobody want that. It's squirting all over the place and all that stuff. So I went ahead, cut it in half, made it easier to eat. And it also kind of made a little bit more tomatoes because now they're halved and not whole, which really is just 2 and not 1. But yeah, go ahead and do that. It made me feel better. Getting all your vegetables all together. This is the easiest part. I know some people really don't like this part, the prep of everything, but honestly it does not take that long, which is super amazing. I went ahead and seasoned them with some salt and pepper as well. I cut my avocado down to half, sliced it through, and then just peeled the back part off. Some people use a spoon, but this avocado was so perfect and fresh that I was able to literally just peel the back of it off and set the slices down. I only used half of avocado for this recipe because your girl does not like avocado. My boyfriend, he be eating all the stuff that y'all be seeing. Because I don't be, I'm a very picky eater, but all the recipes be fire, they be good. I still be trying them. So don't get me wrong on that. But I just don't like avocado. I'm just not really an avocado type of girl, avocado toast and all that. I don't really be doing that. I don't really like it. But to preserve it, you're going to go ahead and put some lemon juice on that and put it in an airtight container until you're ready. I boiled my eggs in the air fryer, y'all. Well, I guess I didn't boil them. I air fried my eggs and then it turned out to hard boiled eggs in the air fryer. I did it on 250 for about 16 minutes total. And then I went ahead, once they were finished, I put them right into some water and some ice so they could stop the cook process. And yeah, just chop them up like that. And now it's time to get our salmon together. I got some avocado oil in my pan. Y'all always see I be putting my hand over the pan. That's just to make sure that it's nice and hot, because you don't want to put it in there and it's not hot. You want your salmon to have a nice crisp on it. In order to do that, it has to be hot when you lay it down. It has to be. And you have to put it down. You can't touch it. Put it down, leave it there, 5 minutes on each side. When you flip it, it's gonna look like this. You are on a medium high, which means 5, 6, maybe a 7 on a good day, but we don't even really be needing the 7s because 5 minutes on each side like this is gonna get you, one and done. Ain't no need to keep flipping, to keep doing all of that. And if you want, you can pay attention to the sides of your salmon. Once, like, I don't know if y'all can see, but like in the middle of the salmon, it kind of looks undone. Like it's not all the way pink. So just keep watching. Like that's a little way to be able to tell when it's done. Once it's all finished, throw everything together. Get your lettuce all up in there. Yes. Like I said, you can use a spring mix, you can use spinach, you can use whatever it is. You like it, I love it. I added my tomatoes in. I believe I went with my hard-boiled eggs, which was really air-fried eggs. I don't really know what to say about that, y'all. My cucumbers. Now, this is all nice and seasoned with my salt and pepper. Put my salmon on there, and y'all know, here go the avocado. I had to do some bacon. I don't know about y'all, but it's just something about the bacon and salmon combo that I just love. And if you don't eat pork or, you know, anything like that, you can leave this part out. That ain't, you know, that ain't no problem. The salad's still going to be fire. I can guarantee that. Y'all want to see how it look? Because it looks good. Look at that, y'all. Go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. If y'all do make this salad, let me know how it turns out. I would love to see it on my Instagram. Everything will be linked below. Until next time, guys.